Understand the concept of resonance. Resonance occurs when a single Lewis electron dot diagram cannot accurately represent the actual electronic structure of a molecule. This typically happens when there are multiple equivalent locations for a multiple bond, double or triple bond. Evaluate sulfur dioxide. SO2 sulfur and oxygen each have 6 valence electrons, for a total of 18 valence electrons. To satisfy the octet rule for all atoms, the central sulfur atom must form one double bond and one single bond with the 2 oxygen atoms, while retaining one lone pair of electrons. Identify equivalent structures. Because the oxygen atoms are identical, the double bond can be placed on either the left or the right oxygen. These 2 Lewis structures are equivalent in energy and differ only in the placement of electrons, meaning SO2 is best represented as a hybrid of these 2 resonance forms. Confirm with bond properties. In resonance hybrids like SO2, the actual bonds are identical in length and strength, intermediate between a single and double bond. This is a hallmark of molecules requiring resonance representations. The correct answer is option B, SO2.